Yeah, so I'm just going to finish off our Christmas cat angel today, and I really hope you've enjoyed it. I've really enjoyed doing it. I've tackled some things I've never done before, as I say in the video. So it just shows if you just copy what you see, exactly what you see, you can actually do it. I've never done Christmas decorations before, baubles, or I'm just looking at the picture now, or the, you know, the fir tree stuff or the corally stuff. I've never done anything like that before. I've just copied what I saw on the picture, and I've gathered a few pictures from here and there just to kind of help me get it together, and just copied what I've seen really. Yeah, so I hope you've really enjoyed it. I'd love to know from any of you, if you get back to me, have you actually drawn the picture? Have you actually made it for a Christmas card or a present for somebody? If you have, thank you. Thank you very much. And thanks for everybody that's watched or listened or, well, just found it by mistake. That'd be great. Let me know. That'd be great. Anyway, happy Christmas everybody, and see you soon. I'm on my next project already, actually, which will be, hopefully you'll like. Okay, see you soon. Enjoy. Right, so just going to do the finishing touches now. Yes, I've intensified these bits down here. As you can see, they're kind of the dark, deep mauve and this lilac one again. And then I've just kind of smoothed it over and then gone over the white again, because it gets kind of tainted. Where it isn't tainted, see there's a kind of nice white bit here. Just put that back in again and just put some streaks in there. So anywhere that you can see that should be just that bit whiter again, just put it back in again. This is what you can do with pastelmat. You really can't do this with other papers. Won't allow it, won't allow you to put more pastel on like this. Once you've put a lot of pastel on, it's not happening, it won't go. It just won't do it. See, there's some little white bits there. A nice white bit there. That's got a bit of red on it, you see, so just go over that red. Lines, whites there. So yeah, anywhere that you can see these doing again, just put them on again. Then smooth over any harsh ends. So I do that. I've made this a bit darker in here. Just checking that I'm not blocking everything over again. Look, yeah. It's okay. So, just where you can see some nice white bits there again, just put them in like that. Then they'll stay. They're just kind of getting very dark there. bit more lilac-y. There's little bits there. So really this is how easy it is, just simple methods really. but they're very effective. See how they're standing out now? Just really going in the middle of the white bits that you've already put in, and what's left, phase them into the tone bits. Strong bit there, you see. So anything that you just kind of stands out and looks a bit stronger, just put it in. That's strong there, see. Bits there, we've done them already. These a bit stronger back here. And got a little pattern here. If you think any of these are a little touch too strong, you can just go over them again, just very lightly. These have got some streaks in. There. Then what I did also is I put some of the pink, get that colour to show you which it was. Where's that one? There it is. Yeah, put some of this over here. I just put it on like that, smudged it over with my fingers, then go over the very whitest bits again. And see, they're not all white. Just that kind of thing really, that's all. I've put some extra colours in his eyes. I'll show you which I put these two colours. But I'll make sure that they're all in the notes. I'll put all the colours. So I put some turquoise in his eyes. They're looking quite nice and blue. I just felt I needed something else, so I put those in. What else have I done? Just that, really, just that. I'm just going to put another streak in there, so looking a bit too intense. See, just little bits make such a difference. See, just wherever you feel it needs to be stronger. There, maybe. You're not going to go everywhere, just look at the picture and then put them in. And I think the more rough and ready it is, the better it's going to look. Just my opinion. It's just my humble opinion. Go over this. I was going to put a bauble in here, but I've just noticed I've left a bit of yellow in there, so just go over it. Just blend these in a bit here, these. Just make it explain it really. You know, we've all seen a furry cat, so. It's just a little bit of, I can see a little bit more darkness in here. That's all, just there. And around here. See, it doesn't have to be neat. There's some nice streaks in it, just pop those in as well. Let the colour show right through. Nice. Some darker bits here. Some dark bits here. See, just some spots. Nothing big, nothing too much. Just put some more white around here, I think. When you use pastel like this, it really looks like paint. It's very good. Take the pencil off with the flicky bits. Some nice little curls that come around there. Just soften that up a bit there. If you get any edges like that, just soften them over. Those bits look nice. And you can just see where I put the little lines like whiskers in this colour. I'll just do another one up here. Just kind of very, very light. But see, they're very effective. Just that. I think I'm going to get this a bit darker looking. Put some streaks in there. And I'm going to put the lines like that because the hair is kind of leaning on the cushion there, see? They just smooth it all down. That's all. Try not to overdo it. If you get any little bits like this that you don't really like, just tap them off. A little spot there. Okay, so that's it really. I might put some more little dots up here, make it look a bit more frosty. But as I say, I'll leave it out now for a few days. I'll take some photos now, so I'll add them to the project, to the videos. And the sun's quite good today, so I'll do that. Okay, we'll leave it there. So, hope you've enjoyed it.